Halima from France. Halima.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to know if there is any specific dua to make when we want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to ward off and prevent every curses in our life, sir.
No, there is nothing as such. We have general du'as that we say for protection, for provision, for guidance, in the morning adhkar, in the evening adhkar, after fard prayer, before we go to bed, and before we leave the homes. But there isn't any specific dua, okay, let me look, okay, this dua is to have a good meal for supper. Okay, no, this is not what I want. This dua is to have a good walk around the park. There's nothing as such. So you have to go to the fortress of the Muslim, Husn al-Muslim, and study it well, and try to say these adhkar and learn them. And on my YouTube, I have, with the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal, explained the whole booklet.